Hello guys, wanna set up a live wallpapers on your Samsung Galaxy that sync with music? Here is a very easy way how to do it. So firstly, open Google Play Store, click on this icon and then tap search. And in the search tab, enter diffuse live wallpaper. Diffuse live wallpaper. And click search. And then look for this app and tap install. So then click open and then tap allow reading notification. Here enable this toggle, click allow, and then on allow reading volume also tap allow while using the app. And then here you can change the design of the diffuse wallpaper. Change the fluid scale or the speed, or for example, you can select fluted glass instead of blur, but I prefer blur, and enable live beats. And change the strength to 0.5. So let's actually set up the wallpaper. Scroll up and tap Set Wallpaper. Tap again Set Wallpaper and select both home screen and lock screen. And then let's open music application to synchronize it with the wallpaper. And play any music on your taste. So if the wallpaper doesn't change color or doesn't respond to music, make sure your device has granted all of the necessary permissions. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.